Hey everybody, got this for nothing from somebody. Like I said, it pays to be in the right place when people are giving shit away. So, now this stupid thing here, I'm gonna cut that off because that's the anti-fun device. Alright, got the hairdryer hooked up for the 240 volts. I don't know how much smoke it's gonna make, but I'll definitely cut it off if it's necessary. Oh, that fucking sucked. No smoke or anything, fucking shit. Well, that's what happens when shit doesn't cooperate. Hopefully this video turns out because it's pretty bright out here today. Otherwise, thanks for watching.